So you're saying in the current economic slowdown, it makes perfect sense to get help for marketing from a consultant?
Absolutely. A third person can look and see your business from a different perspective. He can look from outside the business. Instead of being into the business, he's outside. So he can work on your business, find out what are the lacunas, find out the mistakes and the loopholes, what you're doing, and maybe suggest you things what you can, immediately block and stop the leakages, and then, take you to the different level.
Jan, please tell us, what are the reasons why businesses fail these days?
Most of the businessmen don't know why they're failing. They, attribute it to the economic crisis or the world scenario and all those things. But I feel that the reason they fail is because of lack of sales, okay, and mismanagement. Now, lack of sales, everybody will say yes, but if you look minutely, you'll see that you are not generating that kind of a revenue, and you are not managing properly. So if the business is doing okay, nobody thinks of it. But when the business is not doing okay, then they go back to checking what is wrong. And here is what we are saying, that because of your lack of skills or knowledge, what should be done, you are failing. So to sum it up, I would say that they need skills, maybe marketing skills, maybe negotiation skills, maybe advertising skills, communication skills, thinking skills, okay, or even for that matter, reading books and applying that knowledge to the existing business is a skill. Listening is a skill. So when we are saying what can be done to their businesses, okay, there are so many things. So the failure in their business is because they don't know what to do now and they're stuck. So our job over here is to tell them what is available in the business and how you can apply the techniques which are proven to the business without investing too much money, and then come out of that failure, make profits and run the show.